25 rules for life. 1. Focus on what's within your control, let go of what isn't. 2. Live according to your values, not societal expectations. 3. Choose virtue over fleeting pleasure or temporary gain. 4. Treat adversity as an opportunity for growth. 5. Be resilient by adapting to life's uncertainties. 6. Practice gratitude for what you have in the present moment. 7. Accept the impermanence of things, nothing lasts forever. 8. Respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. 9. Do your best without expecting instant gratification. 10. Live in harmony with nature's rhythms and laws. 11. Develop self-awareness through introspection and reflection. 12. Strive for inner tranquility amidst external chaos. 13. Treat others with kindness, empathy, and understanding. 14. Let go of the need for approval, focus on self-approval. 15. Value character and integrity over material wealth or status. 16. Use obstacles as stepping stones toward personal growth. 17. Face fears and challenges with courage and resilience. 18. Remember that everything is temporary, cherish the present. 19. Seek wisdom from life experiences and learning. 20. Detach your happiness from external circumstances. 21. Be mindful of your thoughts as they shape your reality. 22. Practice moderation and temperance in all things. 23. Focus on continuous self-improvement, be better than yesterday. 24. Live a life true to yourself, not to impress others. 25. Embrace change as a natural part of life's journey.